Hola, ¿qué tal? I am la profesora Zapata and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be focusing on greetings and goodbyes. Saludos y despedidas. Let's get started. Here are some common formal and informal greetings and goodbyes. Number 1. Hola. 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 Hi. Buenas. 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 Hi. Buen día. Buen día. Buen día. Good day. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? How's it going? This is an informal greeting. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. See you later. Nos vemos. Nos vemos. Nos vemos. See you around. Adiós. 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 Goodbye. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Until tomorrow. Chao. 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 Bye. Adiós. Que tengas un lindo día. Adiós. Que tengas un lindo día. Adiós. Que tengas un lindo día. Bye. Hope you have a great day. Remember that in all my videos, I always try to mimic what it would sound like for an English speaker. This will help you pronounce better in Spanish. And practice makes perfect. I hope that you enjoy some of our greetings and goodbyes. Ciao, ciao. Thank you for sticking around. Now I want to share with you that I have a TikTok account, so please follow me there too. La Profe Zapata. You know my email. Reach out with questions or suggestions that you may have. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.